Hello students! Do you know? Everything that you see in this world has a shape. Today I'm going to tell you the names of some basic shapes. So join me to learn these shapes' names.
Okay.
Look how beautifully these shapes are placed here. Let me introduce these to you. This shape is known as square. Square has 4 equal sides like a clock and a dice. Next shape is a rectangle. Rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides like a door and a blackboard.
Wow.
Now look at this beautiful shape. It's a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides like a cloth hanger. And this amazing shape is a circle. Circle is round like a football. Oh wow! We have an oval shape here. Oval is a little change from the circle. Oval looks like an egg. It's a diamond shape. Look at this one. It's a heart shape.
Wow.
Finally, we have a star. Star with 5 corners. Students, have you noticed? There are 2 wooden boxes and these boxes have some shape cutouts on it. Now we will fix these shapes in the exact shape cutout on the wooden boxes one by one.
Okay.
Let's fix the square first. Oops! Why? This square is not fitting here. I think because it's not a square shape cutout. Let's try again. Oh no, it's not fitting here as well. Let's try one more time. Yay! It's fit properly.
Wow.
It's a square. Now we are going to put our next shape.
Okay.
It's a rectangle. Let's find its cutout on the box. Oh, sad. It's not fitting in this cutout. Let's try again. Yay! This also fits in properly. Super! We have a rectangle now. A rectangle just like a door.
Okay.
This is a triangle. Oh, sad. We are unable to fit it on board. Let's try again. Wow! It's properly placed on the board. It's a triangle. Oh, wow! Circle is waiting for us. Let's fit it in the box. Wonderful! We have a circle shape cut out on the box and this fits together.
Wow.
It's a circle. A circle. Hooray! We have done with our first box. Let's do the same activity with the rest of these shapes. This is an oval. Let's find another oval to fix. But this doesn't fix. Let me find its proper place. Oh yeah, it's fantastically done. Next shape is a diamond.
Okay.
Let's put it in the wooden box. Oh no! Again, the same issue. I think we are doing it wrong. Let's try again. No. It's not a place for a diamond. One more time we will try again. And it's done. Yay! Now there are 2 shapes left. Let's do the same activity with the heart. It's a heart shape.
Okay.
And we are going to fix it. Boom! It's not working. We can't fix it here. Let's try with another cutout shape. Oh, wow! We have done it. It's a proper shape of heart.
Wow.
Oh my god! We have a star here and it's going to fix in the star shape on the wooden box. Wow, we have done this activity with all shapes. Let's repeat their names.
Okay.
A square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, a diamond, an oval, a heart, and a star. That's all for now. Keep on looking for shapes in your surroundings. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.